Hello, my name is Jossie Allen. I am starting this teaching presentation for web backend development. I'm a CIT 336 class at BYU-Idaho. I was asked to teach about the Foreach loop, and this loop, PHP for loops execute a block of code a certain number of times. A Foreach loop works only on arrays and is used to loop through each key or value pair in any array. The syntax is as follows. In your PHP, we will have for each with a parentheses. We open the array and then the code as, and then we will set the value. And then after the curly brace, what will be displayed or the code that will be executed or looped through. For every loop, the value of the current array is assigned to the value, and the array moves by 1 until it reaches the last required element. So let's try it out. First, we need to create the array. So we will keep it as follows, just to make things simple. And let's say we use flower names to celebrate that spring's finally here. And Lily. Okay. So the array is created, after which we have this for each loop. So we have the array, and then these will be the values that will be passed through the loop. Let's test it out. And there you go. So we get the list. We have Daisy, Rose, Lilac, and Lily. And with the break in there, it'll succeed each other one right after another. Now, there are different arrays, and I wanted to show an associative array. So let's get rid of all this. And for this, we'll have to pass through not only the value, but we will have a key that will be assigned to that value. Loop will essentially look. These are great for connecting non-numerical items with numerical items and creating a display such as that. For this, let's set up the array. We'll call it just associative array. And let's say we want to know how much it'll cost to start summer. So say a helmet will be $20.99. We'll have to get a bike. That'll be, $300. I'm in a family, so we'll have to get a trailer for our bikes in order to have the kids go. And we just want to list out all these prices. So our for each loop will help us do these things. So we want to change this. In fact, we'll just go through here. So our for each loop, we're going to assign the associative array as key to value and our output will be the key and we'll say it costs whatever that assigned value will be. Okay. Let's just see if this works. It's alerting me that something's funny, but let's try it.